Your shop deserves tools tough enough to withstand your demands. Tools that deliver the power and durability you need to get the job done. You need the tools professionals turn to. Tools from JET. The 2-horsepower JET 10-inch by 17-inch dual mitering bandsaw is engineered to keep your shop going. Save time by dual mitering 45 degrees right and 60 degrees without moving your workpiece. The tensioning gauge is conveniently located and easy to read, ensuring the blade is in the correct cutting alignment. The automatic blade breakage sensor prevents damage to the workpiece by shutting down the saw once a blade break is detected. The integrated coolant system extends the life of your blade, saving both time and money. Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, the JET 10-inch by 17-inch dual mitering bandsaw is CSA CUS certified. Backed by JET's industry-leading 2-year full warranty, it is easy to see why metalworking experts trust JET.